Hello children, once again welcome back. So in today's video we are going to learn about a very interesting topic, that is our atmosphere. Now, what is actually a atmosphere? So around our earth, around our whole earth, there is a blanket, there is a cover, there is a shade of that shade is invisible, like it's transparent. You and me, I cannot see the color of that shade, but actually there exists a blanket, a covering or a shade which is known as atmosphere. It is due to the presence of this atmosphere only that you and I, everybody on this earth can survive. There are few gases which are present only in the atmosphere, due to which the life is possible. If this atmosphere does not exist, then our life would be in trouble and we won't be able to survive, we won't be able to do many of our things, and survival will be very difficult. So this atmosphere is something, it's a layer which is present on the earth that provides possibility of life on earth. So here you can see the figure that how the atmosphere, it covers the earth. There are gases like oxygen, which is required by all living beings to grow, to survive, to live in. Similarly, your plants, they need carbon dioxide as well to survive, to grow, for the process of photosynthesis. So all such gases, they are present in this atmosphere. There is one more layer present inside this atmosphere, which is called as the ozone layer, which is known as the ozone layer. Here you can see in the figure, this layer actually protects. What is the use of this layer? It protects the ultraviolet rays. It protects the ultraviolet rays. It protects the earth, I should write. It protects the earth from the ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays, these are the harmful rays which are emitted, which comes with the sunlight, which are present in the sunlight, but these rays are harmful for us. They may give rise to skin cancer if we come in direct contact of these ultraviolet rays. So there is a layer which is present inside the atmosphere, which is known as ozone layer, and this layer protects the earth's surface. It covers the surface of the earth so that these layers are stopped. They do not reach to the earth directly, and in that case we all are safe. So the ozone layer, it protects us from the ultraviolet rays. It is due to the presence of atmosphere that the temperature of the earth is maintained. If the atmosphere is not present, then the temperature of the earth may rise, and again, as I told you, survival will be difficult. So there are various things which this atmosphere is providing, like it is also maintaining the temperature from rising. Also, whatever are the heavenly bodies which break down and tries to come to the earth, they are also protected by the atmosphere, that they do not reach to the earth, to this surface. So atmosphere, whenever they try to enter into the atmosphere, whether they are the meteors or the meteorites, as you all can see, they are break down into pieces by this atmosphere. It stops them there only and do not allow them to reach to the earth's surface. So this is the importance of atmosphere. Now children, this atmosphere is again divided into different layers. Let's learn about them one by one. So it is layers of atmosphere. So here appears the figure of layers of atmosphere. As you all can see here, there are different layers. 5 layers are there. The layers, they start from the bottom part, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. It goes like this. As you all can see the range in the figure, the first layer which is present, the first layer of atmosphere, that is known as the troposphere, and it is up to the height of 7 kilometer. It starts from 7 kilometer to 17 kilometer. From 7 kilometer to 17 kilometer we can find this layer which is known as the troposphere. And in this layer only we can see the clouds, the rain, all such things are possible only in this layer which is known as the troposphere, as you all can see in the image also, in the figure also. As we go higher and higher, the air, it becomes thinner. We get less oxygen as we travel from first layer to the second, from second to the third, from third to the fourth and so on. Okay, so this is troposphere. Moving on to the second layer. Talking about the second layer, we have the layer which is called the stratosphere. The second layer is known as the stratosphere, and this is the second layer of atmosphere which is from 17 kilometer to 50 kilometer in height. This layer extends from 17 kilometer to 50 kilometer, which is the layer known as the stratosphere. This is the layer and in which our aeroplanes and all these fly. This is basically that layer. In this height, on this height, the planes, they are flying, and the ozone layer, that is also present on this layer itself. Coming on to the third layer, we have mesosphere. The third layer is the mesosphere. Now in this layer, the height is from 50 kilometer to almost 85 kilometers. It extends from 50 to 85 kilometers, and whichever meteors or meteorites, they tend to enter into the on the earth's surface, they are burnt here. They are burnt here. The meteorites, which I told you just now, that atmosphere saves our earth from all such things as well. So they are burnt in this layer, the third layer, which is known as the mesosphere. Coming on to the fourth layer, we have the thermosphere, which extends from 85 kilometer to 800 kilometer. The fourth layer, which is the thermosphere, extending from 85 to 800 kilometer. All the spacecrafts, they are flying on this layer. All the spacecrafts, they fly on this layer. And then the last, which is the exosphere. All your satellites, whichever are launched from our earth, they are placed on this layer, which is known as the exosphere. So this is all about the 5 different layers of the atmosphere. There is one more layer which is actually connecting the exosphere and the thermosphere. Somewhere in between these exosphere and thermosphere lies ionosphere. So here actually the signals from this layer, they are transmitted from one object to the other object. So this is all about your atmosphere and the layers of atmosphere. See you in the next video and we'll know more about air. Till then, stay tuned to the channel and enjoy learning. Have a nice time.